Hello everyone, I'm Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to use the APRS beacon feature on the Ailunce HA2 and the Ailunce HA2 to share your location. Okay, first, to make sure both radios are set to the same frequency. These two radios are set to the same frequency. This is important so they can receive each other's APRS packets. Next, go to the APRS settings on both radios. Menu. APRS. You can set the key parameters like the radio call sign, beacon interval, position info, and common text. For example, on the Ailunce HA2, my common text. Hi, this is Julia. I'm hiking now. On the Ailunce HA1, go to Menu, APRS, set a common text. Hi, this is Ailunce. Confirm. Confirm. Now the Ailunce HA2 and the Ailunce HA1 will start sending APRS beacons based on your settings. On the Ailunce HA2, you can see I set the beacon transmit. Type is manual. Press the PTT. Well, you can see this is the beacon from the Ailunce HA2. Go to Menu, APRS, Analog APRS list, Info list, you can see this is the beacon sent from the Ailunce HA2. Call sign, position info, and the common text. We just set it. Hi, this is Julia. I'm hiking now. This is super useful when you are hiking or outdoors. So you can share your real-time location with your friends, even if there's no cell signal. And that's how to send APRS beacons between the Ailunce HA2 and the Ailunce HA1. I hope this video helped you better understand how to use it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more real tips and tutorials. I'm Julia. See you next time.